Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing today? Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're joining from. How are you? Talk is just okay, guys. Can you hear me right now? Good afternoon, good morning, wherever you're joining from. How are you doing? If you can hear me typing, I can. We are live. We're live. It's another time to go through the market. And a lot is happening right now around the world, and you guys need to position yourself for this. Come on, guys. You have to position yourself. A lot is happening. Okay, tell me where you're joining from. Good afternoon, good morning. Tell me where you're joining from. Where are you joining from? And for those that you're just joining for the first time, my name is still Mayowa Owolabi. And I want to welcome you to today's technical analysis where we talk about the market, our views, and what we're expecting in this market. Ayara, I can. Good to have you. Thank you so much for joining today's broadcast. Really excited about this. Tell me where you guys are joining from. Let's connect. Andrew is joining all the way from Port Harcourt, PH, and that's in Nigeria. Good to have you, Andrew. Okay, you're welcome. Nelson, thank you so much for joining. Super excited to have you guys. So as usual, you want to click on the like button and also click on the share button. Help others people to see this, and I can guarantee you that they will be grateful you did. Thank you so much, Andrew. Make sure you guys share. We have Yasin. Yasin just joined our community, and this guy is fired up. Like, geez, this guy is over fired up, like too ready, like ready, ready, ready. Good to have you on the call, Yasin. And how is Canada today? Hope, trust you're good. Okay, from we have Noah from Mushin. Okay, Ikechukwu Ifan. Ikechukwu, what's happening? How is it going, brother? Okay, Chukwu Yem is joining us all the way from Lagos, Nigeria. Good to have you. And we have Charles. Good afternoon, boss. I celebrate you, boss. I'm joining all the way from Ibadan. Fantastic. That's from Oyo State, Ibadan. Good to have you. I should be in Ibadan next month. I should be in Ibadan next month. And it's going to be a great time in Ibadan. Okay, tell me where you're joining from. I'm excited to have you guys on today. Okay, super pumped up. Super pumped up. Super pumped up. Hey, Osinachi, it's been a while, Osinachi. Osinachi, it's been a while, I think, that I saw you online. How is your trading going today? Or you are still demo trading? Good afternoon, Godwin. Joining from Wukari, Taraba State. Okay, I've not been to Taraba. I've been to Kaduna, I've been to Jos, I've been to Abuja, I've been to I've been to I was about to go to Kano when I aborted my tour. Okay. Okay, but maybe in the nearest future I could be, I could come to Taraba. Okay, Alex is joining from Aja. Okay, and now it's Kaduna. Kaduna is a good place. So tell me, how is your trading going? It's been very slow. I feel like entering. I got some intraday trades, but geez, I'm trying to stay away from the market. So what trade have you taken this week? Matthew is joining all the way from Lagos. Maybe I tell you it's fine. You need it's better. So tell me, what pair have you traded this week? Now, is our Wednesday session, is it helping you? Tell me, is the Wednesday session helping you? Tell me. Is the Wednesday session helping you? Mr. Ifine, my greetings to you able teacher. Namaste, namaste. Thank you. Is the Wednesday session helping you? Woo! Euro AUD is, yes, this is what we are looking for. This is exactly what we're looking for. It's been fighting that zone. And this is why I tell people that there's something about Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But a lot of you don't used to listen. There's something about Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's like the money is actually kept till those days. I don't know why. And I can't answer why. So don't ask why. Okay, maybe I'll tell you, Sha, so that you know why it's like that. Coach Mayowa, good afternoon. Watching from Port Harcourt. Fantastic. Good to have you. Hey, Umar, Richard, how you doing? Good to have you. Ononiwu, Ifine. Hi, Mayowa. Hey, I'm fine. I'm fine. Samuel Oduma. Great. Great, 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 great. So tell me, what are you looking at for? Tell me. I'm seeing a lot of momentum right now. I'm seeing a lot of momentum right now. Uh-huh. This is what we've been waiting for. You know, especially with the pairs that are in the direction of the trend. Okay. Wow. Amazing says, my best currency is Euro USD. I am in love with Euro USD. Please love it more. Love it more. Don't love it because it's paying you right now. Love it because it has all it takes to pay you, even when the market is boring. Okay. Personally, I recommend you don't love a pair. Okay. But if your strategy is a one-off strategy, I can tell you that you're free to love it. Wow, something is happening in the market right now. Something is happening in the market right now. So let's get to work. Let's get to work. What pair do you want us to start with today? What pair? For the first time in after over 20 years, Euro and USD is equal. And that means something is happening. Something is happening. Something is happening. Depression, sorry, not depression. Recession is on its way. I'm going to be doing I'm going to be doing a 10-minute video later today, tomorrow. I'm going to be recording it. What you need to get ready for. I've not traded this week because the market looks chubby. I'm anticipating to go in next week on CAD for a sell long term. That's it, my brother. You're talking. Euro USD. Euro is a continental 27 block country currency, while USD is a world currency. Hence, a lot of economic activity is in these two regions. Yeah. Okay. That's a lot of detail, bro. That's a lot of detail, bro. That's a lot of detail. So let's get to work. What page should you want us to start with today? What page do you want us to start with today? Let's start with the XYs, okay? Let's start with the XYs, okay? Okay, sure you guys can see. So the first XY I'll talk about today is JPY, okay? And like I told you last week, JPY is very weak right now. So that will make all the USD, all the JPYs to keep buying. And you can see it's been weak since January this year. So it's still very weak right now. January last year, sorry. January last year. So right now, before we can see the main sell, we need to see some accumulation here. We need to see some accumulation. And until we see that accumulation, I still have a bullish bias on all the JPYs. Any sell is a short-term sell. Okay, we need to see the bias. We yet to see it. We need to see some reversals. We're yet to see it. So if you AJ, EJ, NJ, all JPYs, you are permitted to keep buying them on lower time frame because JPY is very, very weak. The next one is GBP pairs. GBP pairs is still weak too. Okay, but we're going to be seeing some retracement soon because until it clears this low, we are expecting reversal. Okay, because we have a break of structure here. So that means that there is a zone that GBP pairs need to obey here. And until they obey this zone, we are going to see a potential clear of that zone. And once it clears that zone, guys, let me be sincere with you, then JPY is gone. Like, did you hear that? Gone. JPY will be coming down to about 35. And that means that GCAD that you want to buy, you might not be able to buy it again. GBP USD that you want to buy, you might not be able to buy it again. They will keep selling. And that's one of the challenges we have right now. And because of this flip zone that is here and this supply that is here, so I see this guy drop more. I see it drop more. So currently, the buy that we are looking out for on GU might not hold because of this retracement back to this other flow zone. And you see, this guy might break this guy. So for me, I'm saying GBP will keep being weak, Euro will keep being weak. Okay, they will go lower. So USD will keep gaining strength because of this DXY zone until it comes back to this retracement. That's around 102, 103. Don't buy EU, GU, AU. Don't buy them. Any buy you buy, they are short-term buy. Okay, they are short-term buy. Let's check EXY. I've told you EXY is still very weak and will be weak more. Will be weak more. It's not his fault, you know. He's just going through. He's just going through a lot right now. You know, he's just going through a lot right now. A lot is happening. Don't know why EXY is not coming up here. Or do I have it before? See it? This guy is doomed. Open supply. Supply. Flip zone. Flip zone. Supply. No buying. Okay? So having established that, we have the bigger picture. So if that is the case, look for sell on Euro JPY, look for sell on Euro DXY. But let's see what CACHF is up to. I've told you guys about CACHF. I'm waiting. I'll be looking for a short from here. I told you guys last week, you know. So right now we are in an ocean right now. An ocean is a zone, is an area in the market that does not have a supply and does not have a demand. That's an ocean. Okay. However, if you go to 30 minutes, 1 hour, you can always get lower time frame entry. Okay. But if you really want to be consistent with your trade, you want to go to daily and trade from daily to lower time frame, which is better so that you will not get trapped. Okay. So what I see also coming in here, I feel that this okay, so this guy is reacting to this. So like I told the paid community yesterday, this is the only place I want to sell. We are still holding the sell from here. Okay, we are still holding the sell from here. If there's any other place to sell, is here. Okay, now if you buy here, it's not a bad idea, but it's against the trend, and that means that you're trading against the order flow, because the order flow right now is telling us to sell, which is from this top. Okay, so if you sell, if you buy here right now, that means you're trading against the trend. And whenever you're trading against the trend, You want to reduce your risk. Very important because you don't want to trade anything against the trend. Okay? So that's for HF. Let me see what you guys are typing here. Okay, that is why I like euro. Fantastic. Inflation rate in USD came in higher today for the chaos in the market. Yeah, yeah. Reason for the chaos. Yes. That guy, just sell. Just keep selling. Okay? Just keep selling. Just keep selling. Just keep selling. Okay? Joshua Mora, just keep selling. I've told you guys that the interest rate is not going to come down. It will make the value, just keep selling. EU, EJ, sorry, EU, AU, ASU, any pair you sell. So, what pair you guys want me to start with today? Spoken my view, my take on. I've given you guys my take on HF and AU. Any other one? Any other one? Coach Mayowa. Which assets, currency, or commodity serves as a safe haven during recession? The only one is gold. When it comes to forex, gold, silver. That's what a lot of people used to port to. That's what a lot of people used to port to. That's what a lot of people used to port to. Joshua is saying we should analyze Nasdaq. Nasdaq is sell now. Okay, so let's check Nasdaq and okay. Richard said we should check Euro AUD. Yes, for a buy. So we check Nasdaq, we check Euro USD, Euro AUD. Let's check Nasdaq first. It's taking. So let's do EA. Then let's do EA. Then we'll check Nasdaq. Okay. So, so this is what I have on EA. Show you. And we have a reaction on in this demand zone. So this is a daily zone. And check 1 hour. Let's check 1 hour chart. So the volume should be amazing. The volume should be amazing on 1 hour chart. Talk to you guys, you can hear me, but it's taking time for the chart to load up. It's taking time to load. Why? What's this now? I It's working on my phone and it's hanging on my laptop. So maybe I'll complain to the stream company, because the internet is fine. Can you guys hear me? Can you hear me? Sincerely apologize. I might have to. Okay, so just give me some time. I'm trying to. My tech team are working on the whole thing again. Okay, so let me engage you with the reason why the volume is always coming in on Wednesdays. Fantastic. So, good. The reason why the volume comes in on Wednesdays to next week Friday, is that there's a report called the COT report, which is commitment of traders. So commitment of traders is being submitted to the United States Finance House every week. No, it's not because of news. It's not because of news. Go and check every Wednesday. Volume comes in every Wednesday. From Tuesday, New York section, the market begins to gain clarity. So it's not because of news alone. News could push it, but the real period of trading is Wednesday to Tuesday. So the effects of the report starts from Wednesday till Tuesday next week. So between Wednesday, you see a lot of movement. Thursday, you see a lot of movement. Fridays, you see movement. Then Mondays and Tuesday, you also see movement. But the market starts is volume on Wednesdays. So that's the main reason why the market moves from Wednesdays. It's not only news. Okay, why is the news on Wednesday? Why did it fall on Wednesday? Why did it fall on Wednesday? Why is NFP on Fridays? You get the concept right now. Why? Why? Fantastic. So the COT is called the commitment of traders. And whenever the traders commit their investment into the likes of the top, like top investors like JP Morgan, JP Morgan, UBS, Citibank, HSBC, Bank of America. These are the big guys that do that. Amazing said, Coach Mayowa, you are 100% correct. I just Googled it now. I just learned new things today. Nice teaching from you, Coach Mayowa. You're welcome, my brother. So that's why I don't trade. That's why I don't trade on Wednesdays. I don't trade on Mondays. I rarely trade on Tuesdays. My trading days are Wednesdays. What did you Google, Amanze? What did you Google? So I can drop it for the others. What did you Google? But some people, when you teach them, they still feel that they can go and spend money to learn again. And don't be like me, that I bought so many programs before I accepted my route. I bought a lot of programs until I bought one twice. I bought one twice. Very expensive. Oh, fantastic. So when I bought it twice, I now realized that I've been doing what is really, really wrong. So, and if you really want to be successful in this industry, it's not just about trading on higher time frame. It's also that you want to honor the order flow. And the order flow is always from monthly time frame. You also want to honor the report when these people bring in their report. Very, very important. So I'm waiting for my system to come up and the other gadgets to come up. Tell me. So we'll check Euro AUD. There's no way I can share my screen from here. But for my bias, write this down. You're looking for Euro AUD. You're looking for a buy on Euro AUD. Number one. Okay. Number two, you are looking for card chef sell. I've told you this for since last week. And I think the analysis is clear. Okay. Asong, hello sir. Good day, boss. I greet you, my brother. Okay. Number three, should I give you guys counter trend? Will you be careful at picking them? So we'll talk about, I'll just give you 4 of them, then you go and apply your strategy on them. Can I show you? Can I give you counter trend? Tell me. Aha! I'm liking my followers right now. I'm liking you guys. No, never trade against the trend. Fantastic. Then somebody says that, but maybe somebody want to. No, nobody should want. If you are following me, you should not want. I don't trade against the trend. Johnson Apollos, fantastic. Is that a trick question? That is it. That is it. I just tricked you, guys. And I'm glad you passed. Please don't trade against the trend. Okay, but if you have to trade against the trend because of temptation, reduce your risk. So 2 hours. So this is the zone that the investors took out. And you can see this impulse. This is an impulse move. Okay, so I will be looking for a buy at the 50% of this guy. And he has to come pick us. Okay, this will be my entry. This will be my entry. And except it's more than 20 pips. Okay, so this is like 22 pips. It's not bad for a pair like Euro USD. Euro AUD. Euro AUD is crazy, oh guys. It's an hardcore trade, so we can catch that 500 pips. So you can see it has cleared this supply. It cleared the first supply, it cleared the second supply. Then we are good. So we'll look out for, let me go to 45 minutes. Okay, let's go to 4 hours. Okay, this is much. Let's stick to that 50% of 2 hours candle. Okay, so this is what we are expecting. This guy to drop back down, then we buy from them. And some funny time, it won't come back. So I pray it comes back, Sha. I won't want to miss out of this. I'm looking for a bullish, a bearish move. We might have to do 30 pips because you can see this drop base rally. This drop base rally, we need to see the one that has a red body like this. So it will be the other block. You can see that when you come to 2 hours, it's a greenish candle. So that's not another block. Okay, this is a drop base rally, it's not another block. 30 p. So this might be the entry we will use. Okay, this might be the entry. So instead of doing 30 pips, one can do like 25 pips. Okay, so 1 to 5 you exit, 1 to 10 take profit 2. Then the third entry, we hold it for 500 pips back to this supply. That's about 500 pips. That's 1 to 19. Not a bad one. So you can see the breakouts. Then another cheat code you can do is look out for the round numbers. Round numbers is this is 44 1.48. So you can watch out for that too. 1.48 or 1.4825. So that's another cheat code. You can use that round number. And I think 25 pips is much, but another thing you can do if you know how to trade 5 minutes, okay, you allow the market to what? To drop down, come into it, give you a breakout. So you can do this on 5 minutes. If you can do this on 5 minutes, you'll be good. If you don't want to do 25 pips stop loss, you can just do this on 5 minutes. So it means that on 5 minutes, you see on 5 minutes, you will see this guy. Okay, so on 5 minutes, you want to see something like this. The market bounces inside. Then it clears this structure. Then you wait for this move on 5 minutes. So if you can do that on 5 minutes, I think Euro AUD will be a good trade because it's in daily demand. Is also in daily demand. Is also in weekly demand. Okay, but it's a counter trend on higher time frame. So we are taking that buy in alignment to this zone. This is actually where we are coming. Okay, so I've been waiting for that. Okay, I've been waiting for this trade for a long time. I've been waiting. So 25 pips in that other block will be a very good one. The second one, let me give you the screenshots. That's 30 minutes. Okay. So 25 pips. Make sure you use your calculator. If you don't know how to use your calculator, go to my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel, how to do risk management. Google it, then you see it. Okay. Let me send you guys this screenshot. That's my view on Euro AUD. Okay. And the second one is Nasdaq. So this trade must be taken before the, don't take it now, take it during the Sydney session. Okay, during the Sydney session or London session. Let's check Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Come and sell at 185. Around 175, 185. Right now, except you want to trade against the trend here. A low, high, higher, low, higher. So if you can't trade here against the trend, come and wait for the main trend. Because this guy have broken out a very long zone here. And it has created the lower high, lower low. So it's already giving more lows. So this low should come up here for us to sell around that 175. Around that 177, 185. That's the only place I can sell Nasdaq. Hope that helps. Okay. Any other pair? Any other pair? US 100, last one. Okay, US 30. US 30 is up too. We have to wait for that too. US 30. US 30 is coming down, downest. So currently it's reacting to this other block, this rally based drop. That's what it's reacting to. But this is not enough to take it to, so this will be a reaction. So we take that reaction back into this rally based drop. So I sell here. I'll sell there. That's the only place to sell. No place to buy safe. Let's see daily. Well, depending on the type of trader you are, if you're an aggressive trader, you can look for a buy. But this is the only place to sell. I hope that helps you. US starting. Oil. Do you trade oil? Badmouth. Do you trade oil? You. Which of the oil do you trade? Is it UK oil or US oil? Oil. Wow. 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 What I'm seeing here is not a good one for oil. It's not a good one for oil. Okay, when he cleared this guy, he came back here. This guy dropped back to the supply. Okay, so we can do 70. You can get anything below 70, 75 or 76. That's the only place to sell to buy. And it's also a flip zone. So because this retracement brought the market to less less than 10. So right now, this guy will drop into this 76, between 62 and 76. That's the only place to buy. Apart from that, it's going to drop from that 96 now. Hope that helps. So we've trashed oil, we've trashed US 30, we have trashed Euro AUD, we have trashed CAD CHF. I think we are good for today. Any other question? I think we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good, we're good. UJ is buying, is yet to get to the sell zone. Keep buying. But I don't see the volume coming to UJ now until they get to 13900. Okay, fantastic. When do you see the market crashing? Between 6 months to 18 months, it's going to really crash. But right now they are managing it, but it will still crash. Bitcoin will come below 7,000, below 9,000, 7,000. Remember, Bitcoin have not experienced crash. Bitcoin has not experienced recession before. This is the first time Bitcoin is experiencing recession. So it's going to really crash. So right now, start learning futures trading. That's the only way to trade it right now. Johnson says, what broker can I use? Check the description. You'll see it there. You see it in my link. Check the description. He hasn't said, Euro UD looks good. It will play out really nicely. Yes, my brother. You're going to be killing it. Good day, sir. What about gold? Nothing is on gold, bro. I'm not a gold person. That's why I don't check gold. I feel it takes a lot of stop loss. And I'm an investor. I like to know what I'm risking. So I don't like trading gold because of the stop loss. It's only impulsive traders that love gold. Once they see one candle dropping, they like to jump in. But if you trade the way I trade, gold is not worth it. I can make the same money on Euro USD. I can make more than that in Euro USD. Just because of the stop losses. 3K is my target for Bitcoin. Not bad. Not bad. And it can come below that too. It can come below that too. Okay. I don't want the session to be longer than 1 hour. I'm sure I've been able to add some value to you guys today. If that is it, show some love. Mr. Ifeanyi, you are in the mentorship group now, so you already know now. You don't need to be asking here. He's dead. It doesn't look to any trade that does not give you higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, or a change of trend. You don't need to look there. I told you that last week when we're doing our private session. You don't need to, don't even look at it. I don't even look at it at all until he has the direction. He has that momentum, that institutional look. If he doesn't have it, don't even go there. Don't even, only stick to the one that has the momentum feel. That's why we are recommending EA. And EA, like I told you, is playing on a flip zone, which is also a counter trend, but the counter trend is on weekly, so weekly and monthly, so we can take the ride to take us to the main move. Okay, so it's good. It's good. I told you last night that Euro USD was going to break the current low. I told you last night. So for a lot of people in the community, they know why we didn't take Euro AUD last night. And I told them that until I see that momentum, that is what we're going to be talking about that. So now we have seen the momentum now. Now we can now go and risk our money in that Euro AUD. Now, does that mean it's 100%? No, we still, if not, I'll risk $10,000 in that trade. But because it's not 100%, I still want to use my calculator and go in on a very good risk. And I go in there, gives me 1 to 20, I'm fine. But if it doesn't give you and you're analyzing, that means you still don't understand how market move works. Because the market only gives the money to those that the market only moves profit into the pairs that are in alignment with the trend. That's just the bottom line. So even when we feel like trading, that's it. You still have to. Okay. So guys, that'll be all for today. Thank you so much for jumping in on today's session. I'm really excited. And I'll see you guys tomorrow where we'll talk about cryptocurrency. Okay. Then we're also going to be placing I want to be sure if we have stocks traders in the community. So there'll be a pool in the group. Okay. Because the stocks market will crash and that is the only time to buy. So right now I'll be sharing with you three formulas. I'll be recording that video today before I leave office today. We're sharing three formulas that Elon Musk uses to make move. And that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today. It's going to be recorded. So get ready. I'm going to be up. I'll try my best to upload it today. If my editor can finish it today, then you see it. Then we'll take position. Okay, guys, that'll be all for today. Thank you so much. My name remains Owolabi. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share. Don't forget the goal: 1 billion people. Until we get there, we will not rest. People need to see the reality of wealth. I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. See you at the top and not from the top because the floor is crowded.